Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Some 2-3 days back, Labour Minister BABUSH'S general public statement केले. He is now Labour Minister. He Labour and Employment Department आसा पळय, he will be supporting more to labours, not to the employment. When a minister of any state does this statement in public, it will give wrong signals to the investors. No, how the government can be biased to one entity and favoring that entity. See, as a labor union head, they can talk anything. But as when you become a minister, you have to balance the situation. You have to listen to both the parties and take appropriate action. Then he made an allegation that last 6 years there has been no increase in the minimum wages, which is not true. Before giving such statements in a press, responsible people in the government should understand the situation first. You should get, if they are not understanding, call industry people or the association on board, discuss with them, and then you issue the statements.
दर एक फावट पेपराचेर जायराती घालप खंय प्रायव्हेट कंपन्यांक परवडचें ना.
And he said compulsorily everybody has to advertise for the whenever the jobs are created. See, when the jobs are created, as per guideline, we are supposed to inform the respective employment exchange, which every company is doing. You cannot say you have to advertise. Some people may not be affording, no.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.